a metallic city orbiting Earth, humanity's first permanent outpost in space. But how do we build such a station? The answer lies beyond the sky. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the marvel of space stations, the embodiment of human curiosity and ingenuity. These floating fortresses are more than scientific endeavors. They symbolize our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. As we peer into the cosmos, we see not just stars, but potential new worlds. With each bolt tightened and module assembled, we step closer to a future where space stations become our celestial homes. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of constructing these engineering marvels, discovering how they pave the way for humanity's next giant leap. From the initial spark of imagination to the final orbiting masterpiece, this is the story of turning dreams into reality. This is just the beginning of our cosmic odyssey, a future where the sky is not the limit, but a gateway to infinite possibilities. It all starts with a vision. Imagine the vastness of space, where endless possibilities take shape. In this boundless frontier, scientists, engineers, and astronauts converge, each bringing a unique perspective. Together, they embark on designing a sustainable home in space, a place where humanity's dreams of exploring the cosmos can become reality. This is the initial vision and design phase, where ideas are born and plans are meticulously crafted. It is a collaborative effort, a symphony of minds working in harmony to tackle the immense challenge of building a space station. The stakes are high, and the responsibility immense. But with every discussion and sketch, the dream moves closer to realization. In this phase, digital models and simulations breathe life into concepts, transforming them into tangible plans. Planning rooms buzz with activity as every detail is scrutinized and perfected. This is where the seeds of innovation are sown, ready to sprout into the modules and systems that will one day orbit our planet. As we delve deeper into this process, the excitement grows. The future is being shaped before our eyes, promising to redefine our place in the universe. Next, we explore how these visionary designs transform into reality through meticulous construction and rigorous testing. In the heart of our ambitious journey to the stars lies the art of crafting specialized modules. These are the building blocks of our space station, each designed to serve a critical purpose. From laboratories where groundbreaking research unfolds, to power units harnessing the sun's energy, and living spaces providing comfort for astronauts, every module is meticulously constructed on Earth. The engineering feat doesn't end with construction. Before these modules can journey to the stars, they undergo rigorous testing right here on our planet. This stage is crucial. It's where precision meets perseverance. Engineers and scientists push each component to its limits, ensuring every detail, no matter how minute, meets the highest standards of safety and functionality. In specially designed facilities, robotic arms meticulously manipulate the modules, simulating the conditions they will face in the harsh environment of space. Vacuum chambers replicate space's vacuum, while thermal tests expose them to extreme temperatures. It's a ballet of technology and human ingenuity, where each test is a step closer to a fully operational space station. This relentless testing ensures that when these modules are finally launched into orbit, they perform flawlessly, setting the stage for assembly in space. As we prepare for this next phase, we witness a testament to human innovation, where dreams of space exploration become tangible realities. As the modules are propelled into the vastness of space, a new chapter in our cosmic journey begins. These essential building blocks, meticulously engineered on Earth, now traverse the stars, destined to form the backbone of our orbital outpost. But the journey is far from over. In the silent ballet of zero gravity, astronauts and robotic arms unite in a dance of precision and harmony, assembling this monumental structure high above our planet. Each module clicks into place like a piece of an enormous puzzle, transforming from isolated components into a unified station. The astronauts, tethered by safety lines, maneuver with expert skill as they connect the intricate network of modules, forming laboratories, habitats, and power units. Meanwhile, robotic arms extend and retract with calculated grace, assisting in this celestial construction. This collaborative effort between human ingenuity and advanced robotics marks a triumph of engineering and imagination. The station grows before our eyes, a testament to what humanity can achieve when vision meets determination. But as each connection is secured and each module finds its place, we're reminded that this is not just a mechanical feat. It's a milestone in human history. The dream of living and working in space is no longer confined to science fiction. It is being realized piece by piece, orbit by orbit. And as we witness this extraordinary assembly unfold, we prepare to explore the next step, activating the systems that will bring this station to life. As the solar panels unfold, they capture the sun's energy, converting it into the lifeblood of the station. With a seamless hum, air and water systems come online, heralding the station's first breath in the void. Power flows through every corridor, illuminating screens and activating life support. This is more than machinery. It's a self-sustaining ecosystem. Meanwhile, communication links bridge the vast expanse between Earth and space. Data streams begin their journey back to mission control. The station is now fully operational, a thriving hub of activity orbiting high above. This moment marks the culmination of countless hours of engineering and collaboration, bringing us one step closer to a permanent presence in space. The activation phase is complete, setting the stage for the next chapter in our cosmic journey. Next, we welcome the human element, as astronauts arrive to inhabit and breathe life into this marvel of engineering. As the hatch opens, the astronauts step into their new home among the stars. The crew's arrival marks the beginning of an extraordinary chapter, one where science, innovation, and human spirit converge in zero gravity. Research is underway, unraveling mysteries that Earth alone cannot reveal. From floating meals to conducting experiments, daily life in space becomes a tapestry of routine and wonder. Each day offers a new perspective, with Earthrise painting the station's windows, a constant reminder of our distant home. This harmonious blend of work and life, where every moment is a step towards discovery, showcases the resilience and adaptability of human nature in the cosmos. As the crew adapts to their unique environment, the station itself becomes a living organism, bustling with activity and purpose. The ordinary becomes extraordinary as each task builds towards a greater understanding of our universe. Next, we venture into the future, exploring what's beyond Earth's orbit, a promise of humanity's continued journey into the unknown. Today, we orbit Earth. Soon, we'll build on the Moon and beyond. These stations are just the beginning. As we look to the stars, the dreams of tomorrow's explorers take shape. Imagine a network of stations dotting our celestial neighbors. The Moon becomes a stepping stone, a training ground for our interstellar ambitions. Here, we test new technologies and sustainable living methods, paving the way for human expansion into the solar system. Beyond the Moon, Mars awaits, a canvas for human ingenuity and endurance. Picture habitats nestled in its red soil, vibrant with life and innovation. These outposts will be the launch pads for missions further afield. In this future, space stations are not just shelters. They are hubs of discovery and collaboration, uniting nations in a shared quest for knowledge. This vision drives our engineers and scientists, propelling humanity into an era of boundless exploration. As construction modules evolve and adapt, so too does our understanding of space and our place within it. We stand on the brink of a new frontier, where each station built brings us closer to realizing our cosmic destiny. As we conclude this chapter, remember, these stations are just the beginning of a much larger journey, a journey that promises to transform our understanding of life itself. Stay with us as we explore the endless possibilities that lie beyond. As we reach the conclusion of our journey, it's clear that building a space station is more than just a feat of engineering. It's the realization of a dream. From the initial spark of an idea to the tangible reality orbiting above us, this endeavor embodies human ingenuity and aspiration. But this is not the end. This is merely a stepping stone in our endless pursuit of exploration. Each station built is a gateway, a new frontier waiting to be discovered. As we look to the stars, we remind ourselves that our journey has only just begun. The universe is vast and the possibilities are limitless. Together, we will continue to explore, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. And so, with each new mission, we carry forward the spirit of discovery, knowing that space is not our final destination, but our endless frontier. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.